Push my buggy. Get her done.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. Today we're going to be plasti dipping. We're actually going to be finishing it up. We did a little bit a while back, but we're going to be bringing it down the rest of the body. Excited to see how that looks now that we've finished the fender trimming. So we got to do the plasti dip first before we put on the rock sliders. So be sure and follow me on Instagram. There you get to see what I'm doing every day. I'm able to put up photos on Instagram much easier and much quicker on a daily basis, whereas YouTube videos take a little while to edit and get out to you guys. So be sure and follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And we're excited to continue changing the look of Buggy. So today is the plasti dip. Let's get started. Beautiful day to wash the Jeep. Ain't it, babe?
It really is. Yeah, I'm working so hard.
Oh, my camera.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you got the tall, hard to reach.
I did.
Ooh,
She looks good. So does the Jeep.
Yeah, I heard that. So Boo and I were thinking when we were taping up our Jeep before the plasti dip, like going into this like door frame.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Like the plasti dip's gonna get up inside there.
Yeah, we'll have it taped across here, but we don't want the overspray getting up and getting in our wheel well, so we're taping on the inside.
That's pretty smart.
Yeah.
That's
That was
pretty
Bug's
smart.
idea.
No, thanks, babe. Got Boo busy doing some final touches on our tape job. Got this nice plastic that we scored, some planners, some painters.
Too, yeah, you got
Yeah, some painters plastic that we scored along the way. And so I think the plastic will help with the overspray. We started with this side because we had to do some pour 15 on the other side. On the driver's door, we had some more surface coming up. So we got some pour drying on the other side, and we'll plasti dip this side. We're trying to learn our lesson from last time.
Or overspray?
No overspray, so both wheels are all covered and even around to its fanny back here. So we're well covered. I think we're ready.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. Hard to breathe in these little masks. First coat.
Buggy's got coat number 2.
Oh, Elijah's mom's here.
Nice painting, nice uniform Bug. Now work your way back to the left because you're overlapping the stuff that you've painted. You know what I mean? Can you go from right to left?
Oh.
So you're not overlapping the stuff you already did. There you go. There you go. Now you got to get down on your butt and get the stuff underneath. There's like 2 or 3 different angles down there. There you go. I think you're good. Yeah, I think that's coat number 2.
Well, guys, as you can see, we have a very unique looking plasti dip finale. We're not quite sure what went wrong. as we were taking the paint off, it just wouldn't break.
The tape, yeah.
The tape
It was
would
too
not.
heavy
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, it's too heavy over the tape, so it was like rubber, so it wouldn't break at the seam.
It would not break at the seam. So it started originally looking like this, which is not great. I mean, it's really, and then it just started getting worse and worse. So we've already started taking it off, but I thought I'd get it on footage for you guys that the Plasti Dip was not a success, and we need to start over and figure out what we did wrong and what we're going to do next time. So that is all for now.